Hare Krishna. So the question is, why did Krishna dance with other men's wives and daughters in Vrindavan when he was having his pastimes, performing his leelas? So the way to understand this question is, number one, to understand Krishna. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is the Parampita Parameshwar. If we make a mistake of understanding that Krishna is another jiva like us and he falls into the same kind of rules category as we do, then we will never understand this. So as far as Krishna is concerned, every one of us is subservient to him. Take for example, somebody else's wife. So whose wife and who is whose husband? All these wife and husband relationship that we have in this world, they are based on this body. When a man marries a wife or a woman, the marriage is between their bodies. The soul, on the soul basis, no soul can become a wife of another soul. No soul can become a husband of another soul. So, then who just got married? Who got married is the body. So, bodily speaking, a woman can be somebody else's wife. But on a cellular basis, on the soul basis, she is really nobody's wife. If she is anybody's wife, on the soul basis, she can only be a wife of Krishna or the Supreme Personality of Godhead or Parampita Paramatma. So that is the way to understand that Krishna did not dance with other people's wives, because the being somebody's wife is a bodily relationship, and dancing with Krishna or spending time with Krishna or serving Krishna in any way, serving Krishna as a wife, serving Krishna as a girlfriend, serving Krishna as a son or a daughter, it's all okay, because that relationship is a soul basis relationship, not a physical relationship. So if we understand that we are not this body, we are the spirit soul residing inside this body, and Krishna is not another person or a Mahapurush like us. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We are all part and parcel of Krishna. So the purpose of all of us, the part and parcels, is to serve Krishna. So if we happen to be somebody else's daughter or somebody else's wife, that is a physical fact. It is not a cellular fact. On the soul level, we can be all called, even all the men in the world can be referred to as wives of Krishna. Hope everybody understands that. Hare Krishna.
ऐसे ही और भक्तिमय कार्यक्रमों के लिए देखिए हरे कृष्णा टेलीविजन। इसे प्राप्त करने के लिए आप अपने केबल अथवा DTH ऑपरेटर से संपर्क करें तथा और अधिक जानकारी के लिए आज ही डायल करें 8767 845 845।